All right, everyone. So you've had an opportunity to sort of explore TinkerCAD on your own, no real set design on what you're supposed to be creating, a lot of freedom, and really the goal was just to start to become familiar with the different tools in the 3D design portion of TinkerCAD. So what we're going to be doing today is a specific self-paced activity where you're going to be learning a little bit more in depth that tool, those toolboxes that are in TinkerCAD. So I'm going to look first at our know, understand, and do, and then go over the directions, and then you'll be on your own. So we're trying to answer the question, how are 3D designs created? What I want you to understand is how to explore technology concepts through a hands-on technical approach, gain technology skills as you explore technical manuals, engage in video tutorials, and follow incremental instructions to learn CAD concepts and skills. Learn critical thinking as you engage in a top-down design approach to problem solving. So what you're going to do is explore and practice using the basic tools in the 3D design resource TinkerCAD. So let's look at the directions first, and then I'll actually go through them with you step by step. So number one, you're going to log into TinkerCAD first using your Gmail account. Once your dashboard loads, return back to this assignment page, and then you're going to click on Let's Learn TinkerCAD to get started. You're going to start the project by hovering over Getting Started, navigation menus, and clicking Start. And you're going to complete each stage. As you can kind of see in this preview, there are 5 stages. Complete each stage of the project on your own. When you have finished all 5 sections of the project, and these little clocks that are on the side here will turn green once you're done, take a screenshot of your menu and submit it into Canvas. And you're going to name that screenshot with your first and last name. I'll take this off here. Your first and last name, Learn TinkerCAD Project. Okay, so let's first log into TinkerCAD. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the link, and then I'm going to split my screen. We're going to sign in with Google. I'm going to sign into the student account here. Okay, and then now that I'm signed in, I'm going to come back to this page, and I'm going to click on Let's Learn TinkerCAD. And I'm going to bring that over here as well. And you know that I'm logged in because you can see my little avatar in the top right-hand corner. So I know I'm logged in. So my progress is going to be saved under my student account. Okay. So to start the project, again, you're going to hover over Getting Started. You'll see it kind of highlights yellow, and then you can click on the Start button. Now, as you are navigating through these lessons on your own, the instructions are going to be on the left side here. So you'll read the instructions here, and then when you're done, you can click and go on to the next page. Okay, so if I were to X out of this down here, you can see down at the bottom, we have a next button. So after I read it, I'm going to click next, and then it reads a little bit more, and then continue on. Okay, when I go back to my TinkerCAD lesson, you can see that it's in progress, and I can resume it. Well, again, once it's all done, our clocks should turn green. If I at any point need to restart, which I don't know why you would want to do that, but just in case you did, you can restart the project here, and then begin again at the beginning. And then once you are done with all 5 of these, then you'll take a screenshot of this page. So it doesn't need to be the full page, because I can also see it on my end as well, your projects. Just take a screenshot of this with your 5 clocks finished, and then make sure you rename it with your first and last name and Learn TinkerCAD Project, and upload that to Canvas so I know to look at your projects and see how you're progressing.